Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove watermarks from your videos without ruining it using Wing. So you can just open the Wing apps on your phone, and then on the home page, just scroll down until you find this eraser options. So just find the videos that you want to remove its watermark. For example, here I have this video. I'm going to click on manual and select the area to remove the tags or the watermark. Here I'm going to select like this. You can always adjust the size, and you can select more than one if there's so many watermark. And after this, you can just tap on upload. Now just wait until Wing process your videos and the watermark is removed. Just wait. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the watermark is removed and it's no longer on the video, and it doesn't ruin the video. So you can just tap on save, and just like that, this is done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.